In this video, I'm going to show you how to send a wire transfer to a Wells Fargo bank account. Now, the fastest way to send a wire transfer directly to your Wells Fargo account is by using Wise. So I'll be using Wise to show you how to do it. So let's get into it. The first thing you'll want to do is use the link in the description, which will take you directly to the Wise sign-up page. Right now, Wise is running a promotion where your first transfer up to $800 is completely free, no fees at all. But you have to use that link to claim it. So let's jump into it. The first thing you'll want to do is click the link in the description, which will take you straight to the Wise sign-up page. From there, you can create your free account using your email address. Or if you want it even faster, you can sign up with your Google or Apple account. Below, you can see an option, Get Your Gift. Click on it to receive the special offer from Wise. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the Wise homepage. Click on Send Money from the homepage. Here's where we set up the transfer. First, enter the currency you're sending from, for example, US dollars. And then the currency you want to receive. Since we're sending to a Wells Fargo account in the US, you'll want to make sure the recipient is set to USD as well. Now enter the amount you want to send. Wise will automatically show you the exchange rate if it's an international transfer, plus the exact fees. In this case, if you're using the promotion, you'll see 0 fees on your first transfer up to $800, which is a great deal. Next, choose how you want to pay. You'll see several options like bank transfer, debit card, or credit card. Bank transfer is usually the cheapest, while debit card is faster. Wise also shows you how long each option takes. And in most cases, sending to Wells Fargo is almost instant. After that, click Continue. Now in the next step, you need to choose your recipient. If you want to send it to your own bank account, click on Myself. If it's someone else's account, click on Someone Else. And if it's for a business or charity, select that option. For this example, I'm just going to select myself. Next, you'll be asked to enter the account details. Here, you need to input their account information. Adding an email is optional. At the bottom, you'll see the recipient's bank details. Since we are sending a wire transfer to Wells Fargo bank account, select Wire from the options that include ACH, Wire, and SWIFT. Then, enter the recipient's details like account holder name, account number, IBAN, SWIFT code, and any other required information. Once your details are in, click Confirm. At this stage, Wise may ask you to verify your identity if this is your first transfer, or if you're sending a larger amount. All you need to do is upload a photo of your passport or driver's license, which is standard for secure money transfers. Now review the summary screen. Here you'll see exactly how much you're sending, how much will arrive in your Wells Fargo account, the estimated delivery time, and the fees, which again, for your first $800 transfer, should be completely free. When everything looks good, click Confirm and continue to payment. Wise will now give you a few options to fund the transfer. If you select bank transfer, they'll provide you with the Wise account details where you send the money from your own bank. You can also use your debit card to pay instantly. Once the payment goes through, Wise will start processing your transfer. You can track it in real time by clicking on Transactions in your Wise dashboard. Most transfers to Wells Fargo accounts arrive within minutes, and you'll get notified as soon as the money hits your account. And that's it. You've successfully sent a wire transfer to your Wells Fargo account using Wise. Don't forget, if you haven't signed up yet, use the link in the description to create your free Wise account. That way, you can take advantage of the promotion where your first transfer up to $800 is fee-free. It's the fastest, most affordable way to move money to your Wells Fargo account.